Now, meaning and importance of macroeconomics. Macro is derived from Greek word macros, meaning large. Hence, macroeconomics is the study of economy as a whole. In other words, macroeconomics deals with aggregates such as national income, employment and output. It's also known as income theory. And it also covered different areas like employment, national income, inflation, business cycle, poverty, capital formation, international trade, balance of trade and balance of payment, etc. Now we'll see importance of macroeconomics. The importance and macro outlook of an economy is all. The first one is need to understand the functioning of the economy at aggregate level and to solve the basic problems prevailing in an economy. It's very much need to understand the functions of the economy. You know very well what are the functions, production function and consumption functions, and then solve the basic problems means what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. So these are all the basic problems prevailing in an economy. The second one is to understand the future problems to take precautionary measures. So many future problems are there for which we need to take a precautionary measures to solve those problems. These problems include global inequality, unequal economic development, global poverty, global warming, inadequate regulation of private markets, etc. Next one, macroeconomics provides ample opportunities to use scientific investigation to understand the reality. You know how should we find out the reality by the way of scientific method. Scientific investigation means to find the answer to a question using the scientific method in a systematic process that involves using measurable observations to formulate, test and modify the hypothesis. Likewise, in macroeconomics, this provides ample opportunities to use the investigation to understand the reality of our economy. Next one is macroeconomics helps to make a meaningful comparison and analysis of economic indicators. Economic indicators are inflation, employment, housing and spending are just like the economic indicators. We have to know the comparisons and analysis of these indicators, for which this macroeconomics help us a lot. The next one is macroeconomics helps for a better prediction about future. Economic forecasting is the process. It is the process of making prediction about our economy. Forecast can be carried out at a high level of aggregation. For example, GDP, inflation and unemployment. These are all the things very much important of our macroeconomics.